Sportsbooks love giving out promos and bonuses, but most people don't use them right. OddsJam changes that with its low hold betting tool. This feature finds games where the odds are very close between both sides. When you place small promo bet on one side and a small hedge on the other, you end up converting what would have been a risky free bet into real profit. What makes it powerful is that you're not guessing. OddsJam scans sportsbooks in real time to show you the exact matchups where low hold bets are most profitable. Add that to OddsJam's bet tracker and alerts, and you'll always know how much cash you've actually pulled out of promos. If you're ready to turn free bets into withdrawable money, try OddsJam's 7-day free trial using the link in my description and start making bonuses work for you.